So here on Hoopty Doodle, we're building a Goldwing bobber. Yeah. And part of that journey takes us to removing the front brake calipers. This video shows you how. Alright, I'm painting stuff, so I want to get this wheel off here so that I can paint it. And part of that is getting the caliper off, the first part. And so let's get this guy off. There's two bolts that hold the caliper on, this guy and this guy. So I've already loosened these. They can be unscrewed from here. And then in theory the caliper should slide off. It may not, because I've got a little bit of a ridge here on this rotor. Alright, so it does not want to slide right off. So my next step in being nice to it is to take out the brake pads, or to release the brake pads so that this thing can come off one way or another. So to do that, there's two little pins, one right there, one right there. That guy, they come out with a bolt on the back right here. That bolt right there. So take that guy off. Those two pins right there and right there are held in by this shield here, and that bolt holds that down. So take the bolt off and this shield can come up a little bit, and you see how there's bigger holes down at the bottom there, and then it comes out. And then those two pins should slide out. The other ones were pretty dry and stuck in there, and they were a pain in the butt, and I'm sure these will be too. My next step then is to get a little punch like this, a nice skinny one that I can get in there and drive those out. Alright, first I'm going to start with the longer rod here that I can get onto those things that are sticking out a little bit, and just tap them through to get them started. Now we move on to our other one. You can see on this side now that they are out a good deal, but they still, oh, that one's out all the way. Fantastic. This guy is still a little stubborn, so I'm just going to use some penetrating oil and just spray that on there just a little bit. And then tap it back through with the hammer, and go back to the other side and tap it back through again. Now we should be able to pull this off in theory. Our two brake pads just fell out, and there it is. Now when I go to put these back in, I'll put some anti-seize on these so that they're lubed up just a little bit, and then I won't have this problem again next time. So thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate it.